This video explains why deleting System32 is one of the worst things you can do on a Windows computer. System32 is a critical folder that contains essential files needed for the system to run properly. It includes drivers, system libraries, and core Windows functions. If you delete it, your computer will stop working completely. Windows won't even start. Some people believe removing System32 helps free space or makes the computer faster, but that's a myth. Deleting System32 doesn't improve performance. It destroys the operating system. If you want to make your computer faster, try cleaning temporary files, uninstalling unused apps, or upgrading your hardware instead. Always remember, System32 is not a problem. It's what keeps your system alive